Hello there, guys. This is Miss Love from the other side of the screen, and in this Linux tutorial, we are going to talk about the top command. And the top command is used to view processes dynamically. It displays which processes are using up your resources the most, and the ones using the most of your resources will be displayed on top of the list. And so to see how that looks like, just type in top and press enter. And here I see a lot of processes, okay? So basically I can see that my simple screen recorder, which is recording my screen at this point that I'm talking, is using up a whole lot of my CPU. Okay, so like 95.7% of my CPU, which is my processor, central processing unit, is being used up by simple screen recorder. Now, memory, 6.6% of memory, I have 80 gigabytes of RAM, so it's using 6.6% of that, but it is literally tearing up my processor, okay, as I'm recording this. Then after that, we have Pulse Audio. This is basically drivers related to my audio. Then we have Xorg, which is irrelevant for this point. I think it's something related to the graphical user interface. I'm not really sure, but again, not really relevant. Basically, the point that I want to tell you is that you can look at the processes which are eating up most of your resources, and as you can see, right here at the top of the screen are the processes which are eating up most of your resources. So Simple Screen Recorder is eating up the most. Then we have Xorg on the second place, Pulse Audio on the third place, GNOME Shell on the fourth place. And as you can see, this is dynamically changing. Just as I highlight, something new pops up on basically the process list is constantly changing, and I don't know exactly how frequently. Let me see if I wrote that up on my no, I haven't. But basically, it's changing. I think every 5 seconds or so. I'm not really sure. I'll leave it to you to Google that. But it's basically changing every time period, as you can see. Okay. And I won't really go into the details of the column names here, like MIB mem, MIB swap, all of these other things. For example, this PR column, NI column. I'm not really going to go into these details for now, but I will go through them in a review. Okay, so instead of doing a regular review where I just write stuff on the screen, I will actually go and revisit top and actually explain to you what all of these columns mean. But before we understand what all of these columns mean, we need to understand some conceptual stuff first. Okay, so just remember for now that top is a command that displays the processes with the most resource intensive processes closer to the top of the list. Okay, and again, this list is dynamically basically drawn out, if I can express myself that way, periodically. Okay, so basically in certain periods of time. I'm not sure exactly what periods of time, but you can look that up in the internet. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you in the next tutorial, and that's it. Peace.